Good morning, everybody. I think probably think it's morning or afternoon, but no, it's morning already. So my name is John Tobin, and I'm the CEO of this company, Orbis MES Systems, where we provide smart manufacturing systems for the food and beverage industries, typically food and beverage processors. I'm going to start my presentation at the gate. This is a very famous gate. It's actually St. James's Gate, which is located in the heart of Dublin. It's the home of the Guinness Brewery, over 250 years old and history in the making. What you may not realise though is beyond the gate is a modern state-of-the-art brewery which operates 24/7, 365 and produces over 1 billion pints of Guinness on an annual basis, and that goes out to the global markets. Inside the brewery, our smart manufacturing system enables Guinness to operate and manage the brewery at the very outer edges of its capability, and capability in terms of efficiency, quality, compliance and sustainability. How we do this is we provide, our system ops provides full traceability of operations at every stage of the brewing process, from grains in to malt silos, right out to kegs and bottles out of the packaging line. And basically at every stage of the process, we are recording all process parameters, all production events, any equipment events, etc. So we have full traceability, if you like, of operations. What that means is that our product actually controls the release of all product, off the site. It also means that if you like, that product that's out in the field, we can do full traceability of that right back to the grains and the malt that goes in to make up the product. So how does that work? Our software comprises, basically at the center of our software is a data hub, and we've over 100,000 live feeds into the plant and process. So we're continuously recording that data throughout the process, and then we have a suite of modules which are layered around the product, which deliver certain specific functionality. Modules like visual factory or track and trace or OEE and yield, etc. Really, our system enables the connected factory, and we've enabled, a number of new technologies like IoT, cloud computing, connectivity to the automation layer, business intelligence, Industry 4, smart manufacturing, and also the whole data analytics side of things. In terms of our competition then, our competition typically are generic system providers, and I guess what differentiates us is that we very much focused on the food and beverages industry, and we tend to make this journey with our customers from average performance, as you can see on the red line on the right hand side, through to really to repeatable and consistent excellence. So it's a transformation process, and we're very focused on delivering the benefits of our solutions. In terms of our customers, and just to prove that they're not all drinks industries, quite a few of them are though. In Europe, we work with companies like Bailey's, you may be familiar with Carlsberg, Mondelez, US company there, Jameson, which is Irish whiskey, and in the US, which is the bottom part here, we work with companies like Dairy Farmers of America, Dean Foods, Southwest Cheese, and others. So we're very fortunate to have quite a mature customer base, and really, that's a subset Our customers really vary from small craft breweries, for example, right up to tier one players in terms of the industry. The team then comprises myself. I have over 20 years industry experience. Mary Williams is the commercial director, and she's 15 years experience in business development. And Eunice McCarthy then is the solutions director, also with 15 years experience in food and beverage processing. So our journey so far has taken us, we were established in 2011 with 25 staff based in Dublin in Ireland, with offices in the US, in Denver and Colorado, and also offices in China. And we've taken on 1 million investment to date. And if you like, our ambition really is to be the biggest or the best provider of smart MES systems for food and beverage in the US market. That's our goal, that's where we want to get to. In order to do that, we need an investment partner, really to help us to grow and develop the US business to its full potential. So our idea is really to take our European business and, with the right partner, flip it into the US market and the US side of things. So really what our investment is for is business development, marketing and sales, our R&D, and if you like, most of our development work is complete at this stage. So finally, I'm back to the gate again. We're actually commissioning a project at the moment, which is Project West, which is actually the first Guinness brewery in the US. It's in Baltimore, Maryland, and I guess that means that, you know, the US is going to have its own gate, but I'd still urge you to come to Dublin and see the original if you get the chance. Thank you very much.